If you're looking for a powerful tool that can manage your business's workflows and automate a whole bunch of processes, you are in the right place. Today we're going to have a look at Airslate and how it can level up your business. Before we get into the video, you can go ahead and use the link in the description to get started with Airslate. It is an affiliate link, which means we do get a small kickback every time you click on and use their product. All right, let's get into it. So the big question, what exactly is Airslate? Well, if you're looking for a cloud-based workflow automation platform designed to help your business automate processes, as well as document processing and improved collaboration, Airslate might just be the thing that you're looking for. It combines document management, e-signatures, and workflow automations into one seamless solution. So whether you're sending contracts out, processing invoices, or managing approvals, Airslate aims to simplify all of these tasks to save you money. Let's explore some of their standout features. First of all, one of the wonderful standout features is the document automation. You can create templates for frequently used documents, which allow you to generate and send them back quickly without starting from scratch every single time. Also, it includes a built-in e-signature capability, which means that you can get documents signed electronically, speeding up the approval process and eliminating the need for printing and scanning, which is time-consuming and a waste of time, money, and paper. The platform also offers awesome workflow management tools that allow you to design custom workflows tailored to your specific business needs. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all in one place. You also get to integrate Airslate with various applications such as Salesforce, Google Drive, and Slack, among so many more, making it very easy to incorporate into your existing networks. Now, all software that you'll use will come with one or two drawbacks. I'm going to cover a few of them. First of all, it has quite a steep learning curve. If you haven't used software like this before, you could be in a bit of trouble. It is user-friendly, however, it may take you a bit more time to fully understand all of its features and all of its capabilities. One of the other things to consider is the pricing structure. Depending on your personal needs, your business needs, and the size of your team, the costs can pretty much add up quite quickly. This might be a concerning issue for a business if it's a small business or a startup, or if you just have a bit of a constraint on your budget. Now, there's no doubt that Airslate is an amazing platform. It's awesome software and it's got a ton of powerful features. However, to really get to understand how it works and how it can benefit you is to go ahead, use the software and see if it works for you specifically. If this was enjoyable, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.